Our world is changing. At no time in history have we been so connected by technology, so empowered by innovation. Many of us are living longer than any generation before, a direct result of better nutrition, sanitation, and improving healthcare. Universal access to medicine is undeniably transforming lives. Yet at the same time, the growth in pharmaceuticals across the world also raises the threat of adverse reaction to drugs. To help protect patients, we must ensure the public are not harmed by the very medicines created to cure them. Today, this watchdog role is being played out in 150 countries by the Uppsala Monitoring Centre and its global partners.
Uppsala Monitoring Centre was established 40 years ago to support the World Health Organization network of countries working together for safer use of medicines. UMC is an independent Swedish foundation working closely with WHO. Our purpose is to tackle one of the big questions in human healthcare. How can we make sure that patients get the maximum benefit from the medicines and suffer the least harm? How can we build global solutions for safer medicines? From day one, our ambition was clear, in collaboration with WHO, to work with partners across the globe to encourage reporting of adverse effects of medicines, to record and understand them, and reduce the risk of their happening again. This is the safety monitoring of medicines, the science known as pharmacovigilance.
The pharmacovigilance community is being shaped each day by like-minded health professionals in Zagreb and across Croatia. Darko Krnić, the head of the pharmacovigilance section at the Croatian medicines agency, HALMED, works closely each day with doctors, pharmacists, nurses, regulatory authorities and pharmaceutical companies to ensure the safety of patients. A role for him that is also driven by a desire to build a lasting healthcare legacy for his young and ambitious country.
Most people believe that medicines are 100% safe. It is true that they save lives, but they also carry a risk. That balance between benefit and risk needs to be a global conversation. In this professional journey I'm on, I realized that the more I travel, the more I understand that we are all the same. We all need healthcare. Many of us need medicine. We need to be safe and also ensure our loved ones are protected. We might speak different languages and come from different cultures, but the end result is the same. We all want to improve global healthcare. I see this with my team at HALMED. To me, they are an example of this new generation, driven and passionate and working towards achieving positive change in society. And I'm proud of them.
For trained doctors like Darko, pharmacovigilance is not just about securing the safety of patients in his own country, but sharing knowledge on everything, from the smallest local reaction to a simple aspirin to global ideas for enhancing public awareness around medicine safety. In order to succeed, lessons and learnings must be shared across international borders for the benefit of humankind, and also to help defeat a very modern blight: fake news.
In this age of misinformation, there are many different opinions on major issues, and vaccination is a great example of divisive issue where if people make the wrong decision, it could jeopardize the health of their children. What is more important than a child's health? I firmly believe in protecting children, the next generation, empowering them with any means necessary to fight disease. I'm a parent first and doctor second, and so I take solemn position through my work on my responsibilities to fight for the rights of the child who doesn't have a strong voice, a clear voice on their own fate. So as leaders in our field, we need to be brave and clear. Through this commitment, we must build knowledge based on trust and integrity. Decades may have passed since the war here in the early 90s. What the war gave us here in Croatia is this strong sense that we are in this together, that we can help our neighbor, and that has stuck with me. It's at the heart of Croatia's resilience and capacity to recover and, above all, heal.